Hello and welcome friends on this channel of Career Edge. So friends, today I am here with an internship from Niti Aayog of Government of India. So this video is very special because this is internship from a government. Also the selection criteria and the eligibility for this internship is very different from other internship. And how to apply for this internship, you doesn't get the full information on any website. So I self created a blog, and after that I am going to show you how you can register for this internship, what are the eligibility criteria. Also I guide you so that you have a good information and a correct information about this internship, and also you can easily fill up this application form for this internship from Niti Aayog. Now I am not going to waste your time, but before beginning this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends because this type of videos takes lots of efforts, so please do it now. So this is my blogger handle, and now I am going to present what is in this internship and the full knowledge of this internship. So here the Niti Aayog internship drive from Government of India, and this internship application form is started from 1st of May of 2021 and the last date for the application form is 10th of May 2021. So let's start and let's see what is in this internship. So as all year Niti Aayog launch its internship drive, and also it's release some notifications and also the selection criterias and the positions required in which you can apply for the internship. So here you can see Niti Aayog Government of India invites students pursuing undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate degrees or who are enrolled in research scholars can apply for this internship, and this internship is from Niti Aayog, and the work location is remote because today these days all the work are remote. This is a full-time internship and the duration of this internship is 6 weeks to 3 months long, and you need to complete at least 6 weeks for this internship so that you got a certificate and incentives from Niti Aayog. The logistics, you need to bring your laptops and Niti Aayog facilitate with other facilities, but in work from home internship you need to do all the things from yourself only. You get paid internship, this is a paid internship, so you get incentives from Niti Aayog. The eligibility criteria, as I previously mentioned, that all the students from graduate, undergraduate and other can participate in this internship drive, and also I am going to show you more information about this. So you can see, as I mentioned, all the details. Firstly, all the things are here, and also you need to present no objection certificates from your supervisor, head of department or a principal, from anyone. And no objection certificate is only for those who shortlisted for this internship. Firstly, you need to apply for this. Just click on internship link, and here you can find this tab where you need to put other information, and at the above it is written kindly read all the instructions and guidelines. And after that there is two links are there, first of click for instruction and second of guidelines. So firstly let's see the guidelines of the internship. So here you can see the page is opening, and here this is the guidelines of Niti Aayog, which is published in 2016, and this time they also upload this so you need to go through this. Just tap on that, and here it is mentioned that if you are undergraduate student, then in 12th class it is required more than 85% for applying for this internship. But many of the students at the past time applied for this internship and they have less than 85%, so you can also apply. Let's see what is going to happen in future. The next thing is, if you are graduate, then you need to give information about your the last graduation, and you need also there is a criteria of 70% in the graduation if you have completed your graduation degree. If you are PG postgraduate student, then there are different criteria you can see here. The period of this internship is I already mentioned, and other eligibility criteria I already mentioned this type of things. So we are going back from this page, and at the last you can see here some sign But here there are more things, domain and areas available for internship, and you can see here total 25 of domains mentioned here, from agriculture to water resources. And at the last, this type of certificate you get after completion of this internship. You can see here at the above it is written format of internship completion certificate, and at the last there is a signature of advisor and the associate which guide you in this internship. And here is the NOC certificate. If you get selected for this or shortlisted, then you need to produce that. This is the instructions. Firstly, I show you guidelines. These are the instructions, and here it is mentioned what is you need to fill in the application form. You can see here all the details which are minors which is required for application form. So there is nothing which is very special for this, but here only one thing is, if you have a course, then in the discipline you need to write this type of things, just like civil, computer science, or this type of things which is mentioned here. You doesn't need to write any other thing. And if you belong from other disciplines, so you can't apply for this internship. Here also they written that you need to mention your percentage, not your CGPA or grade. And if you got CGPA, then you need to convert that into percentage. And here the internship online application form deadline is there. So these are all the things of instruction and guidelines. Now you can see the application form. Firstly, it needs your name, after that your father's name, date of birth, address, next is city, country, pin code, and contact number. And at the last here you can see the mobile number. And after that you need to mention your email. And these are the important things. You need to mention your educational qualification. So all need to mention their secondary, senior secondary. And after that, discipline of subject, name of university or board, and when you qualified that, and your percentage which you get, and if you completed or not. This is type of things you mentioned firstly. And after that, in the second, if you completed your BTech degree or any degree which is mentioned here, you need to choose. And after that, this is the important things, if you are pursuing or completed, and if you completed, then which type of it is semester wise or yearly. If it is semester wise, then in which semester you are. So that this type of things you need to mention. And at the last you need to mention your percentage which you got in the last semester, or you can just convert your CGPA into percentage and mention here. And here you need to choose area of interest. Only one area of interest you can choose here. In total 25 area of interest mentioned here. So you can see here there are many things. So you need to think firstly about this. Then you need to choose, not be hurry in this. You can see here mass communication is there, and also there is one thing, data and management and analysis is there. So those students who are from engineering degree can choose this type of things. And at the last you need to mention place of submission. You can choose where you are filling this, from where you can filling this application form. And this is whole about this internship of Niti Aayog. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching.